Dipped in chocolate vlogs are fire.
Dipped in chocolate vlogs eat.
Dipped in chocolate vlogs are the best. Period.
Follow Dipped in Chocolate on her social.
Hey, my chocolate babies. No, guys, this is not Michaela talking to you today. It's a special guest. So, what will she be doing today? She should draw a fair wig right this song. Drag it on. Time for beat the face. Yeah, she sculpt the eyebrow them period sharp. And now she put on her foundation. A chocolate foundation. Right true. Patty tea, you know, cause you know. You have to blend out evenly, you know, face have a sleep. Then now put on a little baking powder and bake. Yeah, face of a bacon thing and nice up and she that. I'm good at darling. Guys, my special guest I forgot on today. So guys, today we'll be going to the lot on a date with my man. So let's get to business.
Can be one voiceover. Can be one voiceover. You should have asked her for water. Ask her for water.
Is she already?
No, I won't hear Papa. This is how big we have done.
So this is what he gave me back. Is this a what? This is a what? A butterfly?
Give him a pump. Yeah, video me about this. Let's see what it says.
So guys, he was kinda, nervous about how his painting would turn out. I was super confident. I was like, it's not a competition, even though low key I know it is a competition. I was trying to reassure him like, oh, it's not a competition, and he was like, oh, you are more of the artist, So I'm like, no man, just try and do what you have to do. And then like every 5 minutes or so, we would exchange our paintings. Then he would paint on mine, I would paint on his. You know, we're in a space where nobody else is doing this. A lot of persons were looking at us, walking and smiling in awe because two young people doing something like this, it looks super duper romantic and like it looks as though love is still in the air and or Gen Z generation has a chance in finding love because apparently people don't feel like say Gen Z have no love in their heart. I don't know why, but we do have love in our hearts and all of that. So let's continue the vlog. guys, after that wonderful evening, we went home. I took a shower and went to bed. So just watch out for the next day.
The next day.
Alright guys, so it's Sunday and today we are going to Lime Cave. So continue.
It looks so, Anna.
Hi guys.
Let's wait in the boat better. Yeah? You can treat one. You sit down between the anchor there. Yeah, right. Sister, you. What shot cross?
So short cross now.
You want to go overboard?
Nothing around, you know, used to it.
Used to water. Alright.
Just bring Molly, come get them drunk on the roof, on the party. Oh, you have the one on the bitch. Something stupid, I
Okay guys, so we're now back home and I'm going to give you guys a review of the lot where we went to for lunch and Lime Cay. So the lot, it's located on Constant Spring Road. Yeah, Constant Spring Road. The ambience 10 out of 10. Like all the place look, the vibe, I love the vibe, I love the look, the aesthetics is just amazing. It's really nice, but it takes so long for the food took so long. I literally had to go get the waitress. It's like the woman forget me, and that's just crazy. I had to get like kind of upset and make sure no sorry. And then everything just takes so long to get done. It was just so crazy. But we brought her paint, the sketch pad, whatever. And we did a little things. It was nice. I give that a 10 out of 10. And how the place look, a 10 out of 10. But in terms the food, never all that. We got a burger. Got some burgers and a load of fries. It's cool. Give the food about a 6 out of 10 in my opinion. It never all that. Never all that. I feel like my waitress didn't even forget me. And that's crazy. So with Lime Cay now, guys, the boat ride give me 6 out of 10. Only seen the videos them before, you know. 6, we get 6 out of 10. 7 stroke, God forbid. Literally, like, it was so scary. Bear in mind, I cannot swim, like swim, big swimmer. Save me, save the friend, save. I can't do that, right? So when I see the waves are going with itself, I just couldn't manage. Mentally, I couldn't manage. So the ride, 0 minus 0. I was so scared that was a whole adventure by itself, the friggin' ride. And then at Lime Cay itself, it's beautiful, secluded, beautiful. You know, people up on the beach, I play them local music, I do them local sing. So yeah, I'd give the whole experience 7 out of 10. We had some little mishaps there, so I'm not gonna include that, but that would make the rating decrease. But it was nice. If you're going, I think you should go with like a group of friends, and like you bring your own vibe. Go like with a group of friends and bring your own vibe. I think it would be better. Or you go with your significant other, and the two want to know exactly what you want to do on the day. Like, for example, you guys would maybe book a boat or rent a boat or whatever. I think that would be the best option, because we waited for that boat. We waited for the boat. Me, very miserable. I started to get so aggravated. I started to get so miserable. But guys, those are my ratings. You guys can go check it out yourself. It was beautiful though. It was really, really beautiful. Yeah. So guys, without further ado, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell to be notified when a girl Dipping Chocolate uploads another video.
He makes she feel higher than kite in the sky. She need tired and not light, she a shy. Thinks that she know every chicken I'm a book, but me never yet take it to my life. Realize in a shy, up your pride, I wine.